If you're experiencing login issues on GoToMeeting, follow these straightforward steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A stable connection is essential for logging into GoToMeeting. Try opening a website to confirm your internet is working properly. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double-check your username and password. Make sure there are no typos and that you are using the correct login information associated with your GoToMeeting account. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use AirStrip to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your app. If you're using the GoToMeeting app, ensure it is updated to the latest version. Outdated apps may have bugs or compatibility issues that can prevent successful login. Step 5. Reset your password. If you still cannot log in, consider resetting your password. Use the Forgot Password option on the login page to receive instructions for creating a new password. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login issues you encounter on GoToMeeting. If problems persist, consider reaching out to GoToMeeting support for further assistance.